that's what I thought it was.
Jesus Christ, is that
I'm
Look
not,
at that
he
next
hasn't touched the yellow one yet, though. He hasn't even touched the yellow one.
There you go, Joe. Come on, Joe. Yoga.
No, no way.
Oh, he's going to have to jump with his foot and leave his hand for nothing.
No.
That's going to be hard.
Yeah, there's no way I'm doing it. Oh my god.
There you go, Joe.
You got it.
You got it, Joe.
That's a really good handle. It's got a really good handle right
Pull it
there.
up, Joe. Just grab it.
Wow.
Wow, Joe.
Oh my God.
Nice foothold.
No way. What do you do? There's nothing. There's a little.
There's nothing to hold on to. Oh, you got it, Joe.
That's it.
Just grab the green one.
Good work, Joe. All right, you got it.
Boo. Boo. I'm not going to make it up yellow one.
I know, it's a lot of I'm totally kind of gutsy that. I meant the yellow and green. Yeah, I think that makes the most sense. Even doing that, I think looks hard, I know.
I wonder if I can even do the sprint.
Especially when you go from that to that wall, like, I know. There should be more in it. Yeah.
There you go.
Wow.
I wish there was like a bell up top.
Good job.
Nice job, Joe.
It's supposed to be loud.
It was pretty good. It was impressive.
You want us to hold you down?
You know, I'd like to see how yes. Let's give you that.
Nice,
Put your
Joe.
leg on the other side of the rope. There you go.
Tato, you want next?
Yeah.
There you go, Joe. Nice climb. Watch your butt here. Watch your butt here.
Just going down.
Now you're just hanging by your jump.
Daddy, do this whole thing.
Nice job, Joe.
Good job, Joe.
Fire alarm. Fire alarm.